My problem's trying to cut this. The problem is, I think that blade's completely done. All I'm getting is, see there's wire going through the wires. This is not meant for wire. But as you look at it now, and I think the blade is done. All I am getting is hot metal. So it must be down to the metal. The wee diamond bits wore off. Because I tried putting it slimmer, so the blade's not going into any metal rebars, but it's still glowing. So I got a couple of discs there the other week. I don't know if it fits this or not. We'll try them out and see. If not, I might get the big angle grinder in and cut it with an angle grinder. New disc on now. There's the old disc. There's the new. You see the wee silver end is completely wore off. So when you see the sparks, you're down to the metal. That's why she's not cutting. You'll find the arrow. Normally you put the label on the outside, but this saw spinning that way. So I'm having to put the arrow on the inside. How do you check? It definitely is spinning anyways. These discs here, says dry cutting only, them's Aldi. Dry cutting only. I actually have an wee box, I got from Little. So I'm not bothered putting water in this here now then. I'll try the Hoover. Just this dust's going to be choking it. Can I tape this? I don't know. Tried enough trying to tape this here. Might get it. Nah, I'm not going to really prop it up right. No way of propping the phone up. I need two hands because I have to use the Hoover as well. So I'm not going to be recording this. But there's going to be a lot of dust in this room. Hopefully not as much as outside. But I will see what happens. It's not going to break the whole way through. When I go to pick it up, it could snap. Maybe I should try and pick it up now with this crowbar. That's the way I can pick it up. Get up with a crowbar and cut that wee edge now before I cut the rest. Might be an idea. Prop it up with a crowbar, put it out back underneath. Got the mask and all on me, that's why my voice is muffled. It's trial and error. What's melting? There must be pure cast iron in that. I don't know. There's a lot of wee bars on it. All I do is set this here for shallow. So I cut through only the marble. But it's a wee blade and all on now. The actual rock, the actual black stuff that's melting. Whatever granite or whatever it is, God only knows. It's not harder than the stuff outside, am I? Suck up them hot bits. But it's not the blade. The blade's okay. Oh, this doesn't work. I thought this would be the easy bit. Apart from the fact I can't cut outside. What's that? I pour water on it. The blade's not there for water, but the still is. But I'll tell you, why do I start some of these jobs like? Why do I start some of them? I've cut down too far. I can see nothing. If I take my goggles off, I can see nothing. Can't even see the light or nothing. I've just cut now as best I could. Can see nothing. You can see there, you don't see no line. How did I pour the water on? I had hurt in the garden, it's back in again. This is full with dust. And I'm out to the garden again, pet. I'm out to the garden. God knows how long it's going to take a dusty clear. You went in the garden there, pet. That's the garden. Oh. Well, look, the dust on here. Problem is now, I'm going to try and break this off now. I think if I get the SDS drill, break the concrete underneath. That's the corner I need off. That corner I need off. SDS drill might be the best thing now. Try that to see what happens. Because if I don't know, the reinforcement bars there somewhere, I don't know where they are. Get this SDS drill away. See what happens. Might just take a wee tap. So I'll just get this SDS drill here. By loosening this here, if there's any metal any metal things underneath that, that'll come off. I'll just like that with two hands, coming off about there too, like. This hasn't cut the whole way through. But, it hasn't cut hardly through, has it? But, I'll put a bit of cement on that after. That bit's come off there. And we're stuck back in again. That's broken away. So I think now if I had this SD drill underneath there, I should pop it off. Lex is not wrong at all. Lex up long enough. Part of the problem, my cut was very close to that metal bar, if not on the metal bar. So that's why all the sparks was coming. The actual blade is hitting that metal bar. The other one in defence, I can only assume it's an injury. It's also cutting through two levels of marble. So every now and again they had a bit of marble. That's a bit of marble. I know it's marble or granite, but that's a second level where they glued it on to help reinforce it. That's why it made it so difficult to cut. There's another piece there joining on. So they have a metal beam there. No way of knowing that. I'm going to just chisel this. I won't bother cutting it. I was going to cut it with a wee saw, with a wee bit. I might just give it a wee bit of cut, you know. I'll give it a wee bit of cut. But that bar is a problem. So I've taken this off the Kango. It's all these reinforcement bars that have been holding it. So that reinforcement bar there, the blade was hitting that. There's another one up there. They're not even a set patterns as such. So now that's bit of slab now is going away. Far more work than I thought this here, look. That's what we need there now, like. It's all these bars, look how many bars there is. So this side should be the same. Thing is now I have to try and keep us one piece here. So when I put it in there, it doesn't snap. But we're getting there. So I saw a wee bit from here. I didn't saw the way through because the bar's in the way again. So I'll start by chiseling out here and see what happens. And I've cut halfway across there. I already had to guess it like. But I'm not too far out. I think it should be down a wee bit. In fact I might just do another cut. That's where it should be. Slightly down lower. So I might just do another wee cut there and then chisel it out. That's that cut out. Pretty good, pretty good. More bars on this side than the other. You know the reason for that is. That's a bit trickier in there now, where it's bending. See where I don't cut my hands. That might get it off there. I'll let it do a few hundred times. That's pretty good there now. Couldn't ask for much better than that. You better clean it up. That's her now. That wee slab will go back on there again, that's not a problem. So that'll go back on again. Get this cleaned up now. I'll lay it down, Chris. What a mess in my room. Look at the dust on that sofa. Am I wise, am I? This cut now, see the difference in the size? It was way out to here before. By getting that away back, that's going to make the room look a lot bigger. The room is big. This room is a big room. See, that's a lot far better there now, like. And make the fireplace slightly smaller and then put a wee stove in there. A wee artificial one. Really, I can get their toys and all that better now as well. The only thing I'm running into now is these wee bits of metal here, where the plaster was. I'm going to push this on another wee bit. And so this wee tool's doing the job. But after that, it does have its uses, like. I'll just knock it off now with a candle and I'll push that on another wee bit. I just put a wee bit of sand on the bottom, so wee bit's uneven, helps me to slide it around. So I'll get around another inch or more there. And the old fireplace was sitting out past this plaster here, believe it or not. It must be sitting slightly crooked because that's where it was. I'm going to have it going right under the plaster right in this time. So we'll chisel that bit off now, the SDS drill there. See, I need a camera assistant. Like, I'll do that with one hand, like. But now that allows me now to push that in nice and tight. Was it worth the hassle? If I known about the reinforcement bars, like, I knew there had to be bars somewhere, but I was just sitting on the floor kicking this thing in. Believe it or not, it's still heavy, even though it's cut. It's still heavy yet. By the time I get my wee range on there now, you won't see that gap behind. And we've got to do something with the sides here. So I reckon that's the job there now, as far as that goes. Wasn't glued down nothing before, it was just sitting there. I'll just let it sit there now this time. And I think what I might do is bring in the marble sides first. Get them screwed in. There's enough of room behind. I'm going to use an adhesive to put them tiles on behind once the sides is on. That way that allows me to move it back or forward depending on what I'm going to do here with the sides. I want to get an idea what it looks like. see what height and all it's going to go. But so all I have to do now, I'm going to cut the fireplace down lower, but I have to check this opening still works. If the top of the fireplace is there, I want to make sure I can have the maximum opening. So that's, I want the top round about here, like. Then there's investigating.